Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is a journey into the profound teachings of Siddhartha Gautama, commonly known as the Buddha. We'll explore the concept of anatta, or non-self, and discover 6 transformative ways to apply this wisdom in your life. So, let's dive in. Firstly, let's grasp the essence of anatta. It challenges the notion of a fixed, unchanging self. Just like everything in life, you are in a constant state of change. Your self is a composition of 5 aggregates: your physical body, feelings, perception, consciousness, and mental formations. Now, how can we use the idea of non-self to move on in life? Buddha advises us to live in the present. By concentrating our minds on the here and now, we can let go of past regrets and future worries. Remember, the present moment is fleeting, and dwelling in it allows us to appreciate what's happening right in front of us. Buddha wisely said, "Everything that has a beginning has an ending." Embrace change, it's an inevitable part of life. Just as your favorite toy changes with time, so does everything else. Whether it's a job, a relationship, or circumstances, understanding impermanence helps us navigate through life's transitions. Gratitude is a powerful tool. Instead of focusing on what you think you deserve or what should happen, be thankful for what you already have. Your self is ever-changing, and the desires of your past or present may not align with your future self. Embrace the joy of now and let go of unrealistic plans. According to Buddha, we become what we think. With the concept of non-self, there's no fixed identity to know intimately. Recognize that your flaws are not permanent, and you have the freedom to shape yourself. Confidence comes from acknowledging your ability to grow and change, allowing you to move through life freely. Forgiveness is not a gift to others, it's a gift to yourself. Clinging to past grudges ties you to a version of someone that no longer exists. Understand that people, including yourself, are in a constant state of change. Forgiving is the key to letting go, moving on, and experiencing personal growth. Buddha's words, "In compassion lies the world's true strength," highlight the significance of compassion, or karu. Practice compassion by noticing others suffering and actively wanting to help. It's not just about recognizing pain, it's about taking action to relieve it. Be compassionate to others and, in turn, to yourself. And there you have it, beautiful souls. 6 ways to apply the wisdom of non-self in your life. Remember, life is a journey of constant evolution. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay enlightened, stay compassionate. Until next time.